Elite Pillar is a very, very credible brand, and I would say that we stand for it every single time. We ensure that we give clients the best in terms of when it comes to giving out our receipts, when client makes payments, documents, allocation.
Yeah, this allocation, number one, means achievement, glory, purpose, blessing to the brand, because this is what we want to represent. And it is beyond just saying this is your land, this is your land. It is giving people exactly what they deserve.
And the sweet part of this is, for every client that we are doing allocation for here, we are not just bringing you to the site and pointing. We'll bring you actually down to your land.
We walked down through to where we gave all clients allocation. That shows they've done a whole work doing the clearing straight down to where we will get allocated. So it's an incredible job. It shows that they are putting more effort into development.
Kudos to the management. It has not been easy from Heritage Garden City down to Heritage Farm City.
I give them so much respect and really appreciate most of their hard work, their dedication, and in making everything they said, the marketing and everything, to come out as reality.
So offer that you guys should be watching out for is we still have buy 5 and get 1 for free at Heritage Farm City, and if you are buying an hectare, you are getting 2 plots free of charge. So watch out of that.
So for people out there that are still doubting, Elite Pillar as a company, so one thing I want to let you to know is, first of all, you need to actually trust, in whatever you've seen, right? The fact that you come across Elite Pillar products online, be it anywhere, right? Then just know that you are at the right place. Because the truth about Elite Pillar as a company is, whatever we've said that we will do, we definitely will do.